Creating your website with Google Sites, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our tutorial on how to create your own website using Google Sites. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or someone with a passion to share, having a website can open doors to countless opportunities. And with Google Sites, you can build your online presence quickly and easily without any prior coding knowledge. And this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of creating a professional looking website on Google Sites, from setting up your account to customizing your site design and adding content. We've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own website up and running, ready to showcase your ideas, projects, or business to the world. So let's dive and get started on building your website with Google Sites. Before starting, just for people who don't know what Google Sites is, Google Sites offers a hassle-free website building experience, allowing you to focus on content creation rather than technical complexities. And it's a free platform provided by Google, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget or technical expertise. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or an enthusiast wanting to share your passions with the world, Google Sites empowers you to create professional looking website with ease. So let's start our tutorial. First of all, you open your web browser and navigate to the Google Sites website by typing sites.google.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, click on the sign in button in the top right corner and enter your username and password to sign in. As you can see, I am already signed in. That's why I have this Google Sites homepage. Here you can click on this plus icon to create a new site, or adding a new page here, inserting content blocks, or incorporating various features into your website. So let's click here. As you can see, with a blank site, but to move faster, um, we'll quickly select a template. You can just click over here and choose a template that suits the content and correspond to your website requirements. We've here different templates, education, personal templates, work. Let's choose one. So, for example, we choose event. As you can see, with pre-designed template to start. Starting with a pre-designed template offers a range of benefits and streamline the website development process, and also empower you to create a professional, visually appealing website and easily. Here on the right side hand of the screen, with three functions to modify your website. We have here insert, pages, themes. The first function, insert, allows you to add various types of content elements to your website. This includes text box, images, videos, links, maps, calendars, and more. Um, for example, let's say under this text, I would like to add a content block with, for example, three images. I will just select the place where you want to put it, and then you click. As you can see, I can add images, videos, and I can add it also text down below. Moreover, there is a variety tab You can add it to your website, for example, collapsible group, button, divider, spacer, and other stuff or other thing related to Google, such as YouTube, map, doc, slide sheets, and whatever you wanna add it, or you wanna add it and need in your website. Second function is pages. This function is referring to the individual sections or web pages that make up your website. Each page searches specific content or information related to a particular topic or aspect of your website. You can create pages, you can edit in it, you can organize in it. If you no longer need a page, you can delete it. For the first or sorry, the third function is themes. Here you can choose theme where you want. Um, as you can see, theme of the website is changing. So when I am changing the themes, here is the name of the website. And if you want to add your logo, you can add it here. And let's see the other option. Have here, for example, ability of or ability to undo and redo, and the important one is here is helping you to know if your website need modification or not, or how it looks like with a large screen or with a tablet or using phone. If you finish your website and then you wanna um, make it accessible to the public on the internet, you need just to click over here, publish, and it becomes viewable by anyone with the link you put here. And if you want to make your website more professional, you can just custom domain and then you can publish your website. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope really it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.